Okay, so the sun's out today, finally. Only a little bit of cloud in the sky. And today, I'm going to be doing an engine oil change on this. So while I'm at it, I'm going to do an engine oil flush as well. Give it a bit of a clean and then put the new oil in. Should make it run better and bring back some of the power, because it seems a bit down on power recently. So yeah, let's see where it goes. Right, so first off, obviously, Jesus, that's not been off for a while. Give me a minute. Right, so first off, obviously, Jesus, that's not been off for a while. Give me a minute. Right, so that's done. Don't know why it was so bleeding tight. Then we'll do this. So that's again something I can't do one-handed, so just bear with me. And so it's like a pull tab, like a cam. Record that for me. It's already recording. God, that engine's hot. Just it all drops out. Close that. Right. And then it says, put the cap back on. Start the engine back up again and leave it to idle for 20 minutes to get the engine flush stuff going around the system. I think what it's supposed to do is dilute the oil to make it easier to drain. Time now is 3:30, so 10 to 4. I'll turn it off and then jack it up ready to drain it. Stay with us, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Right, so the 20 minutes are up. It's been left running. I've just turned it back off. I've got to jack it up now. Take the engine cover off the underneath axle stands and then drop the oil. Yeah, again, bear with us. I'm going to get it up on axle stands and then I'll continue from there.
Under this blankets there, look, there's your plug.
Right.
And it's fucking dead warm.
Let's see how much time I've burning.
19. Ready?
Yeah.
Here she goes.
Last time I done Michael's oil change with him, he said it's bloody hot there.
That was burning hot.
Was it?
Yeah.
It is dark black, that like.
It's burning hot, burning my fingers still.
Is it?
cap off as well, Craig.
Alright.
You let it flow.
Right, so we drop the oil.
Bloody dirty.
Took the engine cover off. We've had to take this bracket off, which is a T30, because it blocks you from being able to get the filter down there. The filter's got a little nut top on it, which is a thing. What size did you say that was? 32 mil. So we're going to take that off, drop the rest of the oil, change the filter, and put some new oil in it.
Shit oil all over your engine, just like I was saying.
I use what do you call it? Degreaser.
You don't have to now.
Isn't a silly place though, to be fair.
It is, absolutely.
Right, that's the filter back on. I've just jacked it up a bit more and it is dripping still, so we're going to give it another 10 minutes to let the last bits of dirty oil drain out before we put the fresh oil in. Right. Stay tuned, we'll see you in a minute. Just a quick update. I know I didn't video the whole thing again, but everything's all flushed, new oil change is done, filter, and we're just putting everything back together. Right, ended up finishing up and putting the car back together, and then I moved on to the bora. Just a small job, we've only half done it for now, but I had the idea for the mirrors to have downlights, you know, unlock the car and the light shined at the floor. I actually think that looks the part, so got to wire that up tomorrow, and yeah, that does look the part. I think that's very nice. Yeah, I'm going to finish this one up here and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.